Hello everyone, let us today start chapter 1, continuation of chapter 1, integers, that is properties of multiplication. Let us discuss here some of the properties of multiplication of integers. As you can see, first property is closure under multiplication. Integers are closed under multiplication, that is a into b is an integer for any two integers a and b. For example, if a is minus 10 and b is minus 2, then a multiplied by b gives you minus 10 into minus 2 gives you plus 20. Plus 20 is also an integer. So, as you can see here, a into b gives you the product is also an integer. Second one, commutativity of multiplication. Multiplication is commutative for integers, that is a into b is equal to b into a for any two integers a and b. For example, if a is equal to minus 10 and b is equal to minus 2, then a into b is equal to b into a. That is minus 10 into minus 2 gives you minus 2 into minus 10, which is equal to plus 20. Third one, multiplicative identity. The integer 1 is the identity under multiplication. That is 1 into a is equal to a into 1. For example, if a is equal to minus 10, then 1 into minus 10 is equal to, you can see that any number you multiply with 1, the result is the number itself. Next property is associativity for multiplication. Multiplication is associative for integers, that is a into b into c gives you a into b into c for any three integers a, b and c. For example, if a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 7, then 2 into 5 into 7 is equal to 2 into 5 into 7, which is equal to 70. That is, the interchange of brackets cannot disturb any kind of multiplication here. Fifth one, distributive property. Under addition and multiplication, integers show a property called distributive property. That is, a into b plus c gives you a into b plus a into c for any integer a, b and c. For example, if a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 7, then 2 into 5 plus 7 gives you 2 into 5 plus 2 into 7. 2 into 12 is equal to 10 plus 14, which gives you 24. So both the LHS and RHS are same. Now let us solve exercise 1.3 first problem, that is find each of the following products. As you can see, first one is 3 into minus 1. So here solution for this problem. When you multiply a positive and a negative integer, the result is negative. Next one, minus 1 into 225. Solution for this problem is minus 1 into 225, multiplication of integers. Minus into plus gives you minus, that is minus 225. Let us move on to the third problem, that is minus 21 into minus 30. This solution for this problem is both the numbers are negative here, so the result will be positive integer. Minus 21 into minus 30 gives you plus 630. Let us move on to the next problem. It is minus 316 into minus 1. Solution for this problem is, that is integers 16 into minus 1 gives you plus 316. Here also same thing. When you multiply both the negative integers, the result is positive. Even minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Here the solution for this problem is minus 15 into 0 into minus 18 gives you 0, because any number or any integer multiplied with 0, the result is 0. Let us move on to the next problem. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Solution for this problem is minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. First multiply the two numbers having same sign. That is minus 12 into minus 11. If you multiply, we get 132. Now multiply 132 into 10. That is 1320. Let us move on to the next problem, that is 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Solution for this is 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Here also we can multiply first the numbers which are having same sign. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6 gives you 18. Now let us multiply 9 into 18, that is 162. Now let us move on to the next problem, H. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Solution for this is minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. First multiply the numbers which are having same sign. But as you can see here, all the three numbers are having same sign. So you can choose any two numbers first. Now let us choose minus 18 into minus 5, which gives you 90. Multiplied by minus 4, which gives you minus 360. Because 90 is a positive integer. When you multiply it with a negative integer minus 4, the result will be in negative form. Next problem. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. Here now let us group the 4 integers to two set of integers, that is minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4. Let us first multiply minus 1 into minus 2. It gives you minus 12, which gives you minus 24. Now J1, minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Solution for this is, let us group again here. Minus 3 into minus 6 gives you 18 and minus 2 into minus 5 gives you 2. That is 18 into 2 gives you 36. Next problem, that is verify the following. Here we can apply the distributive property, that is 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 gives you 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Solution for this problem is, let us consider the left hand side of the problem first. 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 gives you 18 into 7 minus 3 is equal to 18 into 4, that is 72. Now let us consider the RHS, that is 18 into 7 plus of 18 into minus 3. 18 into 7 gives you 126 plus of minus 54, that is 126 minus 54 gives you 72. By comparing LHS and RHS, 72 is equal to 72. LHS is equal to RHS, hence the given equation is verified. Next problem. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6, which gives you minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 21 into minus 6. Solution for this problem is, let us consider the left hand side of the problem, that is minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6 is minus 6. Minus 21 into minus 10 gives you 210. Now consider the right hand side of the problem, that is minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 21 into minus 6. Minus 21 into minus 4 gives you 84 and minus 21 into minus 6 gives you 126. That is 84 plus of 126 is 210. By comparing LHS and RHS, both are same. Third problem of the exercise. For any integer a, what is minus 1 into a is equal to? Solution is minus 1 into a gives you minus a, because when we multiplied any integer a with minus 1, then we get additive inverse of that integer. As you can see here, any number when you multiply with minus 1, the result is the additive inverse of that particular integer. Now let us move on to the second bit. Determine the integer whose product problem is multiply minus 22 with minus 1. We get minus 22 into minus 1 is 22. Because when we multiplied integer minus 22 with minus 1, then we get additive inverse of that integer. That means any number which is multiplied with minus 1, the result is the additive inverse of that particular integer. B1 37. Solution: multiply 37 with minus 1. We get 37 into minus 1 gives you minus 37. Because when we multiplied integer 37 with minus 1, then we get additive inverse of that integer. Question C, 0. Solution for this problem is multiply 0 with minus 1. We get 0 into minus 1 is 0 because product of any integer with multiplied by 0 gives you 0. Here the product of negative integer and 0 gives only 0. Fourth problem, as you can see here, starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show. That is minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. That means we have to form a pattern from minus 1 into 5. Minus 1 is equal to 1. That means we are multiplying from a positive integer to negative integer and bring it to negative integer to negative integer. That is, the various products are minus 1 into 5 gives you minus 5. Minus 1 into 4 gives you minus 4. Minus 1 into 3 gives you minus 3. 0. Minus 1 gives you 1. That means minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. So the number is there in ascending order. So the pattern is in ascending form. Thank you everyone.